Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today's video we will show a lot of ideas about metal table furniture leg ideas. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Diction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest or more interested videos. Today's video we will show a lot of ideas about different metal furniture table legs. If you are interested, so keep till at the end. There are the many different metal table furniture ideas that you could consider depending upon your personal style and the specific need of your space. Here are the some examples that you inspire. Industrial style metaling dining table ideas. A steady metal dining table that can has great choice for industrial style space. Look for the table and the distressed, finished and simple for the clean lines. Metal and glass coffee table ideas. A coffee table made from the metal and the glass that can has a stylish and the modern addition to any living room. Look for the design that features sleek, clean lines and the minimalist styling. And now which is metal side table. Metal side table is a marble top that can has a great choice for the specific space. This type of table which has perfect for displaying decorative items and serving drinks, snacks, peppers as you can affordable at your choice. Folding metal bistro ideas. A folding metal table bistro ideas is a great choice for the small balcony or outdoor space. Looking for the table with the durable finish that can be withstand with the elements. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest or more interested videos. And now other ones, which is metal console table ideas. Metal console table with the dryers that can have versatile and the functional pieces of furniture for any entryway or the hallway. Looking for the design with the clean lines and the sleek modern finish. Metal and wood dining table ideas. A metal and wood dining table can be a great choice for the rustic and farmhouse style space. Looking for the design that a feature and steady for the metal base and a warm natural top up. Metal nesting table ideas. Metal nesting table can has a great choice for the small living room and a bedroom. Looking for the set of tables in the different sizes that can has a nested together when not in the use. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest or more interested videos. And now other ones, which is metal work table ideas. Metal work table can be as a great choice for the home offices or the workspace. Looking for the table with the sturdy metal frames and the large work surface that can accommodate all your tools and the material. Just like papers, even you are using metal work table in the offices. Here are the some few ideas that you consider that you started with so many different metal table furniture options are available that you sure find the perfect design to you suit you style you needed. And also I will discuss some other metal table ideas. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Addiction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest or more interested video. In the video of last minute, which I will discuss two other ideas about table metal leg ideas. Metal bar cord. A metal bar cord can be stylish and the practical addition to any home. Looking for the cord with the wheels for easy mobility and the choose for your designs with the sleeves of compartment to hold your beer and the drinks. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Diction YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest more interested videos. I hope you are enjoy these videos. I hope you are enjoy. So if you are enjoy, like the video and click the subscribers button of 90 Diction YouTube channel. Will we meet in next video? Take care. Bye bye.